Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is app installer failed to install package dependencies. Ask the developer for Microsoft.VCLibs.110.00 package. So if you are receiving this error message on Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now let me inform you that Microsoft VCLibs package is included with Microsoft Visual C++ file. So you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down and here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17 and 19. And here you can see x86 and x64 version. So click on both the exe file. So make sure that you are installing both x86 and x64 version. Click on it, then run both the exe file. So open both the exe file, that is x86 and x64. Click on install or repair, whatever you see, install it. Click on yes to allow. Run the second file as well. Put a check over here. Click on install or repair, whatever you see. Click on yes. So you might see the repair option as well. So if you see the repair, click on repair. If you see install, click on install. And wait for the installation to complete. Now once this installation is complete, do not click on restart now. Let both the installation complete. So close this window and wait for this installation to complete. Now once this is done, you can click on restart, or you can close this window and then go to the power start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, you can go ahead and you can download the apps or games from Microsoft Store. You should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.